My video tutorial is about getting rid of fake pop-up alerts, fake notifications by the site toneincludes.com. So some people may see these pretty weird and quite strange pop-ups by the site toneincludes.com. It's a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tells you to click on allow to continue watching some game. But in reality, there is no any game here. Instead, such pop-ups just try to trick you into subscribing to the intrusive web push notifications. Some of these ads may be pretty filthy. They may show some filthy content not suitable for certain categories of people. So definitely you need to do something to get rid of these ads if you don't want to see these nasty and junk ads. To fix your browser, access the menu, go down to Settings, select Privacy and Security, go down to Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Now you need to remove the junk sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.